and today we're going to do the Chili Bowl
Nationals
contest.
winner.
So we're going to draw out the people that wanted us to do.
So let Micaiah draw out one name, please. One piece of paper.
Piece of paper. I can't get it.
Just one.
Okay.
Let me see. What's the name? Turn it around.
I don't.
Oh, that one's blank. Next one.
Wait.
Do another one, Kai. Let Micaiah do another one.
All right. Next is my turn.
Okay, I don't know how that one got in there.
Please, Mom.
Silly mommy. One picture, one page. Eric Stetler won. Congratulations. A $25 gift certificate to Chili's is coming your way.